Here's the video walk around of 2013 Kawasaki Ninja that I have for sale. It's got a lot of upgrades. I'll start from here. The custom handlebars, adjustable ones. Cruise control. Just let you set the cruise for a minute so you can relax your hand. Got the cell phone holder. Just little stickers. Got a K&N air intake filter, K&N oil filter. Mobile 1 is synthetic oil is what I used on it. It's got the custom pegs, fully adjustable. The aftermarket exhaust slip-on. Tires are in pretty good condition, front and rear. It's got the zero gravity windshield on it. Here's the double stacker bag on there with the Kawasaki brand name. If you unzip it, it's a 2-tier, so you can fit a bunch of stuff in there. It's got the upgraded tail light, super bright, with integrated blinkers. It's got the kickstand so you can lift it up to do maintenance. Got a brand new chain I just put on it 1,000 miles ago. Brand new rear sprockets and the front sprocket. Got a helmet lock on it, so when you go to the store you can just lock up your helmet. You don't have to bring it inside. Have a key for that too. The fully adjustable pegs here on the front too. Put on these mirrors here. Front tire tread is pretty good too.